All right, Oxidigger, 42 high rake. It's full trigger in the turns. All right, we'll bring her in. One more time. That was exhilarating. All right, guys, we are back. We are back in the garage from a very short trip to the lake. Just released the boom tubes right now. We're gonna adjust it a little bit, and I just kind of, nope, the wrong way. Now, there you go. Good enough. No, I'm kidding. We're gonna measure it out and just basically gonna change it. I'm gonna offset it a 1/4 inch off center, and I'm gonna do an 1/8 inch toe in right there, and I'm gonna run this one parallel right over here. So we'll get to it, and you know, we'll take her out again tomorrow. We'll take her out again tomorrow. Hey, hello. How are you? How you doing? Setting the toe right now, just making sure that this one is parallel. Boom. That's it right there. We'll lock that in.